This is the evening of Thursday, Pre-16, 2026. Why am I bringing this news for you? Why should I share this news with you? I'm sharing it not because it's a new thing in Nigeria. I'm sharing it not because if you begin to cry today till tomorrow that is going to change anything. But I'm just sharing it because I really want you to understand the reason why you need to save yourself. Yeah, you need to save yourself by all means. And what I mean by all means is that by all means possible, you need to become your own personal vigilante. You need to become your own protector, like your own police. You have to form your own personal police. Go and join a vigilante group. Own a gun. Do everything possible to own a gun. Now, 744 repentant terrorists complete rehabilitation. Today is April 16, right? Yes, they graduated today. 744. So I read through the article and I have not gotten their names, but I have their statistics. So they try to do it like federal character. They said one from Anambra, one from Abia State, one from Enugu, like 500 and something from Borno. They just do it like that. So the whole number comes 744. And among these 744 people, they said that 11 people are Christians, while the rest are Muslims. So, there is a very calculated attempt of making sure they balance all these things. They want to balance it so that if you come out to talk, they will say, oh, no. Yoruba man was there, Igbo man was there, a Muslim was there, a Christian was there. You understand? Just like if there is any attack going on in the north, you will see Nigerian soldiers coming to the southeast to tell you that they discover explosive device and so on and so forth. Well, I'm not trying to say, poke nose in what they are doing. But at this moment in time, I am passing a message that Nigeria needs a gun revolution. That is the first emergency. The second emergency thing is that we all knows, me and you, unless you are just new to the system. If you are not new to the system, me and you knows that Nigeria is not going to work. We know about this. We are deceiving ourselves. I understand that a lot of you have not been participating in politics from 20 years ago, 16 years ago, or thereabout. But if you have been participating in politics for more than 2 decades now, you will agree with me that we are just wasting our time. Recruiting, hoping that one man will come and change it. And if that man enters Aso Rock, you will see that there is a system capable of preventing him not to do anything. Tinubu said, if I fight insecurity, they will kill me. Up to today, nobody is asking who is capable of killing this man. Oh, you think that the president is just the last bus stop of Nigeria? You are missing it. So, imagine the rate at which the military officers are dying, these terrorists are killing them. And still, look at these people graduating from their school. They call it deradicalization school. And these people, are they really rehabilitated? Like, have they changed their mind? I'm going to promise you this. The answer is no, they haven't. Like, I took time. I spent about 7 months. That was the first time it was not that 7 months, 2012, when I started studying Boko Haram, started studying their operation. I knew that this is not going to end. So anybody saying they are trying to de-radicalize them, from what exactly? Are you trying to de-radicalize them from their religion? This is religion. Are they converting from Islam to Jew or to Christianity or to atheist or to anything? Because what these people believe is that they are fighting for God. Their mission is to overthrow Nigerian government. Like, how do you change a mentality of a faith in God? Like, you come and you say you want to de-radicalize me from being a Christian. De-radicalize me as what? Maybe you say that I'm a radical preacher. So you want to de-radicalize me. You see, you might stop me from, maybe if I'm preaching, I'm shouting. You might stop me from shouting. But you see that basis of faith, you can't stop it. Now, if you talk about conversion, if these people have converted, you see, conversion is a winning something. It's not something that you force people into. It's not something that people used to go to school and do. Conversion takes place first. But these people are not converted. They remain who they are. They remain same Islamic extremists. They read the same portion of, Quran that motivates them. They do the same thing. They don't do anything different. And they still have connection with their old friends who are in the bush, who are in the offices. So what is the hula baloo about all this rehabilitation, the radicalization, and so on and so forth? Anyway, as I said before, me sharing this with you is not going to change anything. I'm doing it because I want you to start saving yourself. It is time to save yourself. That is the level we are at this moment. Save yourself. You see, the last interview that Alex Barbier did, that American humanitarian, he was saying something that TVC News journalist was not comfortable with. If government fails to protect you, protect yourself. Does that sound so bad? But in Nigeria, it sounds so bad because the government are the same people who are killing you. The government, people in government are the same people who are killing you. And you are shocked to hear it from Akpabio, right? You are shocked to hear it from Christopher Musa, right? That the politicians are the one doing it. Are you shocked? But we have been telling you this thing right from time. You didn't believe. So there is no how if politicians are actually doing this, of which I have been telling you that they are. So there is no how the same politician will appoint someone who is going to stop it. Like, I want you people to reason now. And I don't understand where our logic is. So if the politicians, according to Akpabio and CDS Musa, so if the politicians are the one who are actually sponsoring the insecurity, that is to say, number one, they know them. They know them. That is the first thing. The second thing is that they are the same. They can't fight them because they are the same. They can't fight the Akaba. They are the same. So the third thing is that it is not going to end because there is an agenda beyond it. There is an agenda behind it. All these people you are seeing, you adore them because you really want to earn a living. You adore them. You go after them. You genuflect for them. And you know that these are the people responsible for your predicament. But you can't let go. You can't let go because that is where your daily bread is coming from. But I have one message for you. Suffer it now because generations to come, you don't know what you are living for them. Get away. Tell them the truth. If you follow politicians, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. And like I'm just telling you that, 2027 election is coming. You see the emotion. You see people telling you that we must rescue Nigeria 2027. I'm laughing because you want to rescue Nigeria, for example, if Nigeria is not irredeemable, if Nigeria was, let me say, was redeemable, you don't need the election to change it. You're waiting for election to change a country, you will have a problem with your mentality. Anybody who wants to change a country must not wait for the election. That is to tell you that there is no avenue to change a country. Yeah, no means to change a country because political regime change doesn't change structure like that. Though. It doesn't change structure like that because another person will come. After 4 years, the person will leave. Then what will happen forever and ever? The people must change their mentality. We can do this. You see, right from time, I believe that disintegration of Nigeria would have solved this problem. But at this point now, it still remains the only solution. But we have also very urgent necessity. I keep on repeating it. That is gun revolution. You must have a gun and learn how to shoot. Very important. You must have a gun and learn how to shoot. Go and join vigilante officer. You see, every video I'm making this period, I am putting it in my videos because I want people to belong to vigilante groups. You must be able to be your own personal vigilante, police yourself. If not, you are wasting your time. I know a lot of people will say, gun is expensive. Where am I going to see a gun? Time will come, you will understand that it is someone who is alive that build house, own land, and all those things. Don't forget what Femi Adesina told you people. That you have to choose between your land or your life. So choose gun. Protect yourself. In every community, if they hear that maybe you people are 100 that owns a gun in that community, terrorists will not come there. You get why? These people are also scared of their life. Imagine people killing, they are still scared of their life. They don't want to lose their life. So do something. 744 terrorists have graduated today. They will be put into the society as well. You will see people who have killed tens and hundreds of people. The person will still come and shake you. And they will become informat for the people in the bush. Let's see how it goes.
Why do you think the Southeastern youths are so reluctant on joining the army?
The reasons are very obvious.
Which are?
You call them IPOB and terrorist organization, and you have killed them in numbers.
Who killed them?
The Nigerian military.
Killed Southeast youths in numbers?
Yes, Southeastern youth, yeah. They are in the Southeast as an army of occupation. And every youth they see in sight is shoot aside.
In the Southeast?
Yes, these have been.
Are the governors aware of this?
Of course, all of them are aware. All of them are.
And what are they doing about it?
Especially
if this
that
story
of,
happens to be true.
Especially that of Imo State. In the local government of Hope Uzodinma, you can hardly see any young man there. They have all run away or they were killed. So when you have been doing all this type of underhand dealings with the Southeast, why do you think their youth will be very happy to join the army? Their belief is that you are going to finish them. What you could not do with this, all this, what's that called, insecurity, you now want to finish them with the military.
But Barrister, there is a belief, or some quarters will say that the reason why there is so much military presence in the Southeast is because of the insecurities happening there by the unknown gunmen.
It was deliberately created. You know, when you want to hang a dog, you give it a bad name. What is the reason for the insecurity in the Southeast?
You said insecurity in Southeast was deliberately created.
It was.
By whom?
At least we have had Asari Dokubo and his group. They are telling us what the agreement they had with the federal government. So what did
Asari say they had?
He said he has a contract to be killing the Igbos.
He said
that. He even
that.
mentioned the area where they're operating and all that. That his boys are the ones, the unknown gunmen. So, I mean, by the way, what is the reason for insecurity in the Southeast? What is the problem there?
What is the reason for insecurity?
That is what we should be asking the federal government. Initially, we claim it was Simon Ekpa. And we all cried that Simon Ekpa should be brought down. And
he has been in custody. So
yes,
let me ask you, as someone who is from that region, of course, you'll be getting information from that region. Has the rate of insecurity by the unknown gunmen reduced since Simon Ekpa has been in custody?
It has reduced, not because of Simon Ekpa per se.
Okay.
It is because the Southeasterners have devised another means of checkmaiting this, because the outright killing on the streets of the Southeast are reduced. But the Fulani herdsmen are still rampaging in the bushes and farmlands. They are still there. So
in the Southeast region, we saw women protest in Enugu State.
So all those things, who created them? Are they Southeasterners? Is the federal government not aware of what these people are doing? Why did they allow them to be carrying guns and be killing people? And when anybody wants to stop them or retaliate, the person is arrested, while the attacker is allowed to go free. So when you see all these things, are you not supposed to know that something is wrong somewhere?